Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've recently picked up a pair of Bose earbuds, you're probably excited to start using them. But first, you need to connect them to your device, right? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to walk you through how to pair your Bose earbuds with a PC, Mac, Android, or iOS device. If you want to jump directly to a specific section, you can click on the timestamps in the description below. And for those of you who prefer a detailed step-by-step guide, we've got an article written on this topic as well. Just click the link in the description to read it. Let's get started. How to put Bose earbuds into pairing mode. The first step is to put your Bose earbuds into pairing mode. If it's your first time using them, they should automatically be in pairing mode when you turn them on. If not, you'll need to activate it manually. For Bose QuietComfort and Bose Sport earbuds, press and hold the button on the case until the Bluetooth light slowly blinks. For Bose Sport open earbuds, press and hold the button on the right earbud for 5 seconds until you hear ready to connect. For Bose Soundsport wireless, press and hold the power button on the right earbud until the light turns blue. How to connect via Bose app. Bose offers 2 apps, Bose Connect and Bose Music. The Bose Music app is for newer models like Bose QuietComfort, Bose Sport, and Bose Sport open earbuds. The Bose Connect app is for older models like Bose QuietControl 30 and Bose Soundsport. For Bose Music app, open the app and sign in or create an account. On the My Bose screen, select your device or tap the plus button to add your earbuds. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. For Bose Connect app, open the app and allow Bluetooth permissions. Turn your earbuds into discoverable mode. Select your earbuds from the list of available devices to connect. How to manually connect to Android and iOS devices. If you prefer not to use an app, you can manually connect your Bose earbuds through your device's Bluetooth settings. For Android, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on, then select your Bose earbuds from the list. For iOS, open Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on, then select your Bose earbuds from the My Devices list. How to connect to Windows PC and Mac. You can also connect your Bose earbuds to a Windows PC or Mac manually through Bluetooth. For Windows, open the Start menu and turn on Bluetooth. Go to Settings and add Bluetooth and other devices. Select your earbuds from the list to start pairing. For Mac, click on the Apple icon and go to System Settings. Select the Bluetooth icon and toggle it on. Select your earbuds from the list and click Connect. What to do when Bose earbuds won't connect? Alright, so you've tried everything, but your Bose earbuds just won't connect. Don't worry, we've all been there. In this section, we'll dive deep into troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Let's get those earbuds working. Basic checks. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's run through some basic checks. Battery level. Make sure your earbuds are fully charged. A low battery can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on the device you're trying to connect to. Proximity. Make sure the earbuds are close to the device you're trying to pair them with. Resetting your earbuds. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is to reset your earbuds. The process varies depending on the model you have, so let's go through some of them. For Bose QuietComfort earbuds, connect the charging case to a power source and place your earbuds in the case. Close the charging case lid for 5 seconds, then open the lid. Press and hold the Bluetooth button in the case for 30 seconds. The LEDs on the earbud should blink, glow solid white, then blink blue. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings and select Remove or Forget to erase your earbuds from your device's memory. Reconnect your earbuds to your device. For Bose Sport open earbuds, place both earbuds on their charging base with the in-ear portion of the earbuds pointing away from each other. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the right earbud for 10 seconds. The status light will blink twice. Repeat step 2 for the left earbud. Wait 10 seconds, then remove the earbuds from the charging base. The earbuds are now reset to their factory settings. For Bose Soundsport earbuds, turn off your earbuds and wait 30 seconds. Connect your earbuds to a wall outlet with a USB charger. Wait 5 seconds before disconnecting the USB cable from the earbuds. Wait 1 minute before powering on your earbuds. Clearing the pairing list. Bose earbuds can remember up to 8 devices at a time. If you've reached this limit, you might need to clear the pairing list. This is usually done during the reset process, but consult your user manual for model-specific instructions. Firmware update. Sometimes, a firmware update can resolve connectivity issues. Check the Bose app or website to see if there's an update available for your earbuds. So there you had it, folks. These are some of the most effective troubleshooting steps for when your Bose earbuds won't connect. If you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing issues, it might be time to contact Bose customer support or visit a service center. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions or additional tips? Leave them in the comments below. Until next time.